Here's the point, John. To be absolutely fair to Marianne, she reported this to you straight away.
No, the day after it happened.
Right. Point, she didn't try and hide it. That was a damage to the car, and it's extensive. What was your first reaction about the damage to the car?
When I seen the car, I was like, obviously, that's my kind of pride and joy and my money maker. So I was like...
Well, what it is, it's your regular income.
Aye.
Yeah.
And so I wasn't best pleased to begin with, even though I was kind of laughing at the time when I seen it, because I was like, the shock, it was just one of the things.
Sure. Right, now, the first thing to do, ordinarily, with damage this extensive, would be to claim on the insurance. And for the avoidance of any doubt, Marianne was insured. You'd seen to that.
Absolutely.
Why did you not put this through the insurance, John?
Marianne said to me, I know a garage, we could take it there.
Just pause. You said that. I know a garage, let's take it there. Yes?
Yes.
Good, no problem. You agreed to take it to this garage.
Yeah.
Did you know the people in that garage?
No.
Before you get
Don't talk to him.
there.
Special.
Oh, sorry.
Correct?
Correct.
Then what happened?
We both went down and Marianne and a mechanic agreed to get the car fixed fully to its original state.
Fine. But the quote was about £1,200, right? Now, that's how much it was going to cost to repair the damage. That's a lot of money, a huge amount of money, certainly to you. Why not put it through the insurance?
At the time, I says if she's wanted to do it that way, I agreed. I mean, it says my insurance.
You're absolutely right about that. You're absolutely right. That's her problem. Yeah. You could have put it, or it could have been put through the insurance. Marianne, you said, don't put it through the insurance, I'll pay. Correct?
Yes.
Why would you do that? It's a lot of money, £1,200. Why not put it through the insurance?
I was under shock after this accident for 1 week more. I cry every day, I shake it. I cannot sleep, I cannot eat.
I understand. You're very traumatised.
Yes.
And so when you agreed to pay this £1,200, you felt responsible.
I was think better if I'm pay from my pocket, because I know was want bad for John, because if he call with this insurance, after his insurance it should be high.
I understand. The problem is that in doing the right thing, you thought, you create a big legal problem. Explain this.
Hogy azáltal, hogy meg akartad előzni az ő biztosítási problémáját, ezzel egy nagy jogi probléma keletkezett.
You understand?
Yes.
This mechanic that you took the car to, did you know the mechanic personally?
Yeah.
As far as you were concerned, was it a professional mechanic?
Yeah.
Marianne, you behaved entirely decently here.
Thank you.
You paid the £1,200.
Yes.
This is a huge amount of money to you. The car was returned to you. It looked, for all intents and purposes, John, that it'd been perfectly repaired.
No, when I first went to pick it up, the bonnet wasn't aligned. It was already buckling at the top corner. The bumpers didn't match into the wings. The paint was shoddy.
In other words, there'd been a botched job. Now, as part of your case, an independent witness has looked at the car, and he says this, that they were astounded at the poor quality of the repairs. They say, in order to reinstate the vehicle to the pre-accident condition, it will cost £2,301.71. All things being equal, you also have a responsibility here. As soon as it came back damaged, the ordinary response would be to say, now look, Marianne, I hear what you say about insurance. That's a matter for you. Fine. I will go and get 3 quotes straight away from somebody I know to repair the vehicle, and whichever one is the best, we will agree upon, and it can be repaired. Why did you let her go to her own mechanic?
At the time being a Saturday, and I trusted Marianne at the time, nothing could go wrong, I guess. In hindsight, I wish I'd went for the insurance company. instead of all the hassle.
You've given the mechanic £1,200.
Yes.
Have they taken that money?
Elfogadta a szerelő a pénzt?
Yes. I have receipt from mechanic.
I've seen the receipt. I mean, this person did do some work. She did try and repair it, albeit in a bad way. The problem that you have, Marianne, is you've paid this £1,200. The further problem you have is that by not going through the insurance, by agreeing to make the car good again, you have the whole responsibility. I'm satisfied based upon the best evidence I have. That's going to cost £2,301.71. And I have no choice but to award that to him. This court gives you the full award. Take these mechanics either to another court or, better still, bring him to me. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.